Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. So truly said by Helen Keller. Good morning, respected judges. We are Team Nova Tempest, an enthusiastic group of students from Mayur Private School who aim to make a lasting impact in this year's STEM racing competition. Last year, our team placed 4th in the national finals, but we knew we had so much more to offer, so we examined our weaknesses and rebuilt ourselves into a stronger and more focused team. Our team then comprises of 2 main elements: Tempest, which represents the power of a storm, as well as Nova, which symbolizes rebirth and a new beginning. And when you club them both together, it forms a team that is carrying forward the legacy of last year's Tempest, but with a stronger and more focused mentality. Our logo comprises of 2 elements, a Nova and a lightning bolt, and those 2 symbolize our speed, precision, and impact in this competition. But this journey was never just about one individual. It was a group of people working collectively, and that's where my team comes in. So now, let us all introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Rudrash Vishwas, and I'm the graphic designer.
Together, these colors created a modern and striking visual identity that distinguished our team and ensured a consistent presence across all our branding materials. This thoughtful approach to branding allowed us to present a polished and unified image across all platforms, strengthening our team's professionalism and leaving a lasting impression throughout the competition season.
I'm Vidit, and I'm the car manufacturer.
Testing was a key priority this season. Every change was tested before implementation. We designed the airflow optimized side pods with curved interior to make sure the laminar airflow is effective. We took inspiration from a kingfisher beak, whose beak is thin at the front, reducing drag and allowing it to dive at fast speeds. We also designed our own wheels in Fusion 360 and selected hybrid ceramic bearings for the best balance of speed and efficiency. To ensure that our manufacturing was done with the best, we sanded each and every part before assembling it, and this is why our manufacturing is precise.
Hey, I'm Chris, and I'm the safety analyst.
As the CFD analyst, my role was to analyze the car using software such as SimScale to overall improve the aerodynamic performance. After analyzing this data, I worked closely with my fellow engineers to optimize our design and maximize the performance on the track. During manufacturing, we faced several printing challenges which forced us to make certain adjustments. However, these setbacks taught us resilience and made us ready for any challenges we might face in the near future. We also tested 4 different wheel designs and finally selected the 5-spoke design as the best, as it was the most efficient and suitable for our car design. Finally, we were able to complete the car through sanding, priming and painting for overall professional finish.
Hi, I'm Farzan. I'm the sponsorship manager.
We'll come in contact later. Thank you. Have a good day. Yes. At first, approaching sponsors was challenging, but over time, I improved my communication and persistence. Last year, I sent around 500 emails, getting responses for around 32%. This year, I decided to go for a more quality over quantity approach, sending emails to companies that really resonated with our field, such as automotive and etc. Eventually, we secured sponsorships from F1 Bearings, Tau Cafe, being 5,000 AED in support. With the removal of pit display this year, sponsorship became even more important. Marketing also helped increase STEM interest in our school, leading to high participation and even selection interviews for teams. We also gained valuable experience at the ad hoc exhibition held at Abu Dhabi, where we got to meet companies and get their insightful feedback. I worked closely with Rudraksh.
Hi, I'm Ishan, and I'm the car engineer.
As returning car engineers, me and Udit used our experiences to create the most efficient and fastest car possible. Our initial design did not meet the competition regulations as well as our high standards. We improved wing shapes, airflow efficiency, reduced width as well as weight while staying under regulation compliance.
Our team worked collectively throughout the entire competition using structured project management tools such as Gantt charts, project timelines, RSCI matrices, as well as risk mitigation strategies. Another important aspect of our project management was communication. Communication is key, and we made sure to take that to the next level. We ensured to communicate with our teammates through messages, through emails, through meetings. Sustainable activities, goals were led by our head of sustainability, Udit.
At Nova Tempest, sustainability is at the core of our project because we believe it's the future. Since sustainability is quite a vast term, we went through online courses from UNECE to learn more about it. We also applied these methods in our project by applying Benjamin Moore non-VOC paints to reduce emissions in the environment. We also performed a beach cleanup in Al Bahia Beach to campaign about environmental awareness. Then, we also made sure our sponsors were in line with our values about sustainability. We also emphasized on economic sustainability to ensure we manage funds responsibility and social sustainability to make sure we maintain an inclusive team environment.
STEM racing provided me with valuable hands-on engineering experience that went beyond the classroom. Being involved in the design, manufacturing, and development of a car allowed me to apply theoretical concepts to real-world challenges. I strengthened my problem-solving, technical, and critical thinking skills while learning how precision, innovation, and teamwork contribute to creating a competitive final product.
Looking back, sponsorship was a role that challenged me the most personally. Reaching out to over 150 companies and hearing almost nothing back taught me a kind of resilience that I don't expect to need at this age. But somewhere around in that process, I stopped seeing rejection as a failure. I stopped believing that every company and every individual was trying to bite me down. Instead, I started using their insightful feedback, and it actually helped me to fuel our team to even greater heights of success. This shift changed everything about how I approach this role. What I do differently is simple: build the relationship before you can ask them for anything. That's something I only truly understood towards the end, and it's a lesson I carry long after this competition. Thank you.
Through designing, testing, and refining our car, I gained a deeper understanding of the engineering design process. I learned how small adjustments can significantly affect our performance and how repeated testing helps identify effective solutions. This experience taught me the importance of patience, precision, and continuous improvement while developing my technical knowledge and practical engineering skills.
STEM racing has strengthened my analytical thinking and deepened my passion for engineering. Through analyzing performance data and evaluating design decisions, I learned how evidence-based thinking leads to better performance. This season also greatly taught me adaptability. Due to the current situation in the Middle East, our team faced uncertainties that required us to alter our plans and make contingency measures. These challenges showed me that engineering is not just about designing a car, but also about responding effectively to unexpected circumstances. Having participated in STEM racing for the past 2 years and now entering my third year, I have seen both my own growth and the growth of my team. Over time, STEM racing became much more than competition.
Being the team leader of Nova Tempest was one of the most meaningful experiences that I could have possibly asked for. It provided my team and me with countless experiences and takeaways, while teaching me that leadership is not just about giving instructions and bossing over your teammates, rather about bringing people together, creating a cohesive environment and making sure that every team member feels valued. Last year as rookies, we finished 4th in the national finals. Now, while we were proud of that achievement, we also made mistakes that turned into valuable lessons for us. Instead of being discouraged, we reflected on our mistakes, refined our strategies, as well as worked hard in order to not repeat the same mistakes, which helped us grow stronger as a team. Throughout the journey, I developed various skills in communication, teamwork, as well as time management. It was also rewarding to see newer students join the competition, especially girls' teams, who drew inspiration from our journey as well as our achievements. Overall, this experience strengthened my leadership, my problem-solving skills, while teaching me the value of determination, creativity, and teamwork. And hopefully we come back next year, stronger and more focused.
As a graphic designer, I enhanced my creativity, branding, and digital design skills throughout the STEM Racing project. I was responsible for creating a consistent visual identity across our social media, portfolio, and jerseys. This experience taught me how strategic branding influences perception and helped me gain proficiency with modern design tools while balancing creativity with professionalism. It has also been rewarding to see the program grow with more all-girls teams joining and looking to teams like ours as a model for what's possible in STEM racing.
We've come so far through every test and fight, turned every wrong into something right. We learned, we built, we didn't give in. Every loss just pushed us to win. Through ups and downs, we stayed as one. The journey itself is victory won. Win or lose, we'll rise once more, stronger than we've ever been before. As Churchill said, let this be true. Success and failure don't define you. It's courage to continue, step by stride. That's Nova Tempest, our storm, our pride.